Different networking elements in a telecom network is interconnected by using a network interface. So this network interface are reference point, and reference point can be a name, a defined protocol, and a functions, right? So if you see the communication from E node B to MME, which is a signaling traffic, the interface used there is known as S1 MME, right? So S1 MME uses a signaling only protocol, which is known as A1 S1 AP, and the functions used for S1 MME interface are like user registration. It can be used for authentication and authorization, connection and mobility management, right? And from the MME towards the HSS, you will have another interface which is known as S6A. And S6A use diameter protocol basically for querying the database, since HSS has the information of the subscriber. MME use a diameter protocol through the S6A interface to query the database, mainly for authentication and the subscriber profile informations, right? MME also have a connection towards the S gateway, because MME selects the S gateway for that UE or the E node B with the help of the subscriber information that it has, right? For that interface between the MME and S gateway, it basically uses a S11 interface. So S11 interface is only used for signaling traffic, and it basically use GTP v2 interfaces for the or GTP v2 protocol for the. And S gateway will have an interface towards the E node B, which will be used for user plane, basically used for the APS bear traffic, right, on the data plane, and it will be using GTP tunneling protocol there, right? So it will be the encapsulation that will be used for the tunnel, and it uses the GTP protocol between the S gateway and E node B. And from the S gateway to the P gateway, as you can see in the diagram, there will be signaling traffic and user plane traffic, right? Uh, if the S gateway and the P gateway is in your home subscriber environment, then it will be S5 interface. But if it's kind of a visited subscriber environment, if you're roaming, for an example, then it will be an S8 interface used there, right? For this diagram, let's assume that it's in the home subscriber base, the P gateway. Then you will have an S5 interface, and the S5 interface will have data plane or the user plane, which has the GTP tunneling protocol. And for the uh, signaling traffic, it will be using GTP v2 control plane signaling protocol, right? And there are other interfaces, but these are the main interface that you will see in an EPC environment of a 4G network, right? There are interface like GX and UU. UU is for your UE to the E node B, and GX is basically from your P gateway to PCRF. So now we have a basic understanding on 4G environment and how it works. From the next video, we will be basically looking at 5G network.